If your Chevy Traverse suddenly won't start, don't panic. Most causes are easy to diagnose and fix yourself. Statistically, nearly half of all no-start issues are caused by a weak battery or loose terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to find the exact part that quit working. Start with these quick safety checks to rule out simple electrical or transmission sensor glitches. Check your battery voltage first, as these SUVs are very sensitive to power fluctuations. If you hear a click but the engine won't turn over, your starter motor is the primary suspect. Basic electrical issues are DIY friendly, but fuel system or computer work often requires a shop. While a battery is an affordable fix, parts like the fuel pump can get expensive quickly. If the basics look good, use a multimeter to perform a voltage drop test on the main cables. Make sure you have a basic socket set and a multimeter before you start taking things apart. Always start with the cheapest and easiest components first before assuming your engine is toast. Follow these steps to get your Chevy Traverse running again, and subscribe for more repair guides.